Hi, this is Alexi. If you're new here, welcome and subscribe. Watch to the end to find my bonus tip.
Guys, let's twist our hair as a protective style. So today I'm going to twist my hair as a protective style, and I'll be moisturizing my hair as I did in my previous video. If you have not yet watched that video, check the link below in the description to see how I moisturize my hair.
The link is in the description.
So as I said previously, leave-in conditioner and then olive oil, but this time we'll be adding curling cream, to just hold the hair. So those are the main things we are going to use for our hair today. Let's start. And this hair has been freshly washed. Oh my god. Type 4 hair. Shrinkage, shrinkage, shrinkage. Okay, so first to apply moisture. Even though it's already damp, you just apply some more moisture too. And then you're going to divide the hair into parts to make it easier, into 3 parts. Okay. So guys, we'll take a section of the third part of the hair like this, and then even though this is freshly washed hair, I'm still going to moisturize with water. And then apply leave-in. And so now I have applied leave-in, and I'll be applying the contour curling cream for hold. I don't want to use any styling gel in my hair. And then shea butter as always. So you divide it into almost 2 equal parts, and then you tie 1 knot, and then you twist. this is the last part. So we'll braid it on our hair like this to be moisturized by spraying in some water, and then we put leave-in conditioner. And our curling cream, and then shea butter. So you divide it into almost 2 equal parts, and then you tie 1 knot, and then you twist. So guys, I'm done. This is it. We are going to oil our scalp with olive oil. Okay, so we'll take it in steps and just apply olive oil on our scalp. This is it, guys. If you found this useful, kindly hit the like button and then also subscribe, because more content is on the way. Hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time I upload a new one. Thank you. Guys, so after twisting your hair, to be able to maintain your length, it's advisable to braid it into 3 braids to maintain the length. You can thank me later.